Check basic sound settings. Right-click the speaker icon in the system tray, open sound settings. Make sure the correct output device, headphones, speakers, is selected. Scroll down to Advanced Sound Options, App Volume, and Device Preferences. Ensure Elden Ring isn't muted or on the wrong output. Update or reinstall audio drivers. Press Win plus X Device Manager Sound, Video and Gain Controllers. Right-click your sound card, e.g., Realtek, NVIDIA HD Audio, Update Driver. Or download the latest drivers from the manufacturer's website. If problems persist, right-click Uninstall Device, restart your PC. 3. Disable Audio Enhancements. Right-click speaker icon, sounds, go to the Playback tab. Select your default device properties. Go to Enhancements or Advanced tab, check, disable all enhancements, or uncheck anything enabled. Apply restart gain. 4. Change sample rate. Go to Playback Devices, select your default audio output properties. Under Advanced, set default format to 24-bit 48,000 Hz studio quality or 16-bit 44100 Hz CD quality. Click Apply, then restart Elden Ring. 5. Run game as administrator in compatibility mode. Right-click Elden Ring.exe Properties Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Try Windows 8 compatibility mode. Apply and relaunch. 6. Verify game files, Steam. Open Steam library, right-click Elden Ring Properties. Go to Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. 7. Disable Spatial Sound, Windows Sonic. Right-click Speaker Spatial Sound, select Off. Also disable Dolby Atmos or DTS Headphone X if active. 8. Try a different output device or port. If using USB headset audio interface, try a different USB port, avoid front panel ports. If HDMI or DisplayPort audio, ensure monitor supports sound isn't muted. No. Set game to use dedicated GPU, optional. Especially for laptops. Go to NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD software, add Elden Ring and set it to use the high-performance GPU. Sometimes integrated graphics cause latency audio issues. Thus, try lowering in-game audio settings. Go into Elden Ring's audio settings. Reduce master volume, voice chat, and sound effects slightly. Set output to stereo instead of 5.1 or 7.1 if available. If none of the above work, it may be an issue specific to the Nightreign update or your mod setup if using mods. Make sure